What's changed the most in bathroom remodeling over the last 30 years?
You know, it's funny, the remodeling business has been really dramatic. Over the last 30 years, things have changed so much. When I consider where we started, when you go into a home that was built in the 50s, 60s, 70s, and you look at the way the architects designed those houses and really the lack of function that they put into the process, it's dramatic. They've got really small spaces, very tight walkways, tubs versus showers. They're really not functional for the way families live in homes. One of the things that really got me started in the business was a sad event that happened in my own family where my grandmother was injured in a home that she lived in for over 50 years. She was an elderly lady, she was a large lady, and she was in the bathroom and she had a slip and fall in the tub, and she laid there for hours waiting on my grandfather to get home.
Wow.
And it broke my heart that we had the opportunity to help them and renovate their home and make it safe for them, but it never even occurred to the family to do that. It never occurred to my grandmother that she needed a safer space, because that's what she was used to, was this really tight, confined bathroom and a tub. And we specialize in helping families make spaces safe, making the space work for the family. Usually that involves taking the tub out, putting in a shower, using slip-resistant surfaces. The products that we have today and the designs that we have today are so much better than what they had 30 years ago. When you consider safety and you think about lighting and making sure that someone can get into and out of a space efficiently and effectively, it's dramatic. So technology has changed, function has changed, but the real important key is making sure that we design a space that fits the way the family uses the bathroom.